guys.
Stop it, Simba. Stop it, Simba.
Ooh. Look at that thing. We gotta go give her a wash, y'all. She looking real dirty today. All right, so I think I found a better POV setting for y'all. Hopefully this come out looking good. But anyway, if y'all watching this video, man, we talking about insurance today because I had a lot of people. Oh yeah, that's a good angle. I like this angle. But let's go ahead and get into the numbers, man. I'm not gonna waste your time. We ain't gonna be here all day. Let me put my seatbelt on. Turn this. I don't need that on. I don't know why that comes on. I don't even feel like it works sometimes, but all right. So my insurance company that I go through is Thompkins Insurance Agency, right? So what that means is they are an insurance broker. What they do is they find you the cheapest deal available for whatever company that wants to insure you, right? How it works is they give you a good, better, and best kind of setup. Oh, I should get rid of that wind noise. They give you a oh, I might gotta put the air on a little bit. Hold on. It's kind of. They give you a good, better, and best kind of setup. So I don't have the best, I have the middle option, and that's pretty much how I pick mine. Now, most insurance companies want to know if you've had any accidents, DUIs, speeding tickets, or any kind of nonsense like that within the last 3 years, right? Fortunately, which is a thing I'm happy about, I haven't had any police contact, tickets, DUIs, or any of that nonsense for the last 6 years. So I've been doing pretty good with my driving habits. So that way, when I go to find insurance for this car, it won't be ridiculous because I don't have any of those things on my record, right? So, till this day, right, I pay for my insurance, I pay $269. That's not too bad for a Hellcat, right? Now, I know a lot of people could probably pay less, or a lot of people probably pay more than that. But here's the thing. My insurance is $269, but that is for 2 vehicles. That is for my 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat and also a 2010 Kia Sportage. So to break it down, to let y'all know what exactly I pay for the Hellcat, the Kia Sportage is $100 a month. If you do 100 minus 269 is $169. So I pay $169 for a 2020 Charger Hellcat wide body. That's actually pretty good money. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. When that lady told me what my insurance was gonna go up to, or before she told me what my insurance was gonna go up to, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was type scared because I did not want to pay $200 just for this car, or $250, $300 just for this car. That's a lot of money. But like I said, I got a good driving record from the past 6 years till now. I'm 26, so in the state of New York, I don't know if it's the same way, ooh, excuse me, for other states, but after the age of 25, your insurance becomes cheaper, is what they like to say. I don't know if it really is or really isn't. I don't know. I haven't tested that theory, but after the age of 25, your insurance becomes cheaper because of the age, right? So I'm 26, stay in New York. I don't have anything on my driver history for the past 6 years. So I pretty much got the best insurance rate I could get. I have a driving course too that they give you extra credit for as well. And I believe really, as far as everything else, that's pretty much it. Now, what that $269 includes is I get a $500,000 combined, whatever that thing is, combined damages or whatever, I get I have a $500 deductible. I also get up to $25 in rental fees if I have to put my car in service for some reason and it's out for a couple days. I also have a out of work policy included in there as well. So if my car gets into a really bad accident to the point where I can't make it to work, they cover up to $2,500 a month in full payment for work, which is pretty dope because I didn't know insurance companies do that. So that's well worth the money to me for $169. $269 for both cars. And that's really all it is to it, man. A lot of people say, I'm not 100% sure on this, but a lot of people say insurance goes by your credit too. I don't know if that's a thing or not, but my credit is pretty good anyway. From y'all that watched my last video, y'all know my credit is pretty decent, so I don't think that would have been a big issue anyway. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that Audi over there, nice too. But yeah, y'all, $269 for 2 vehicles. That also includes my homeowner's insurance too, so it's not bad. Again, what I will do for y'all is, I know that my Thompkins insurance agency, which is an insurance broker, if you guys are in a different state, see if they have some type of insurance broker in your state, because that's gonna get you the best rate possible. That insurance broker, that's what you want to look into, because they're gonna shop for the lowest prices with the best plan. That's what you want to look for when you're shopping for your insurance. What I'll do is I'll put my lady's contact information in right here. You guys are more than welcome to call her to see if she can insure you in whatever state you are. I know she does. They do not insure in Florida. That's been the only state that I know they don't insure. So it's well worth the shot to try to get some cheaper insurance. My God, that supercharger sounded good, but it's well worth the shot just to try to get some cheaper insurance, man. I'm even paying $169. I'm price shopping right now too. So I've had State Farm call me. I've had Farmers Insurance call me, and I think Geico also called me. I used to have Geico, but Geico was way too expensive for this vehicle. They all called me to try to give me a price rate and everything. Dang, I should have. Ooh, look at that black 200, clean. They all gave me calls and gave me quotes, but they all was trying to charge more than what I'm paying right now. It's mad pointless to jump into another company if they charging you more money. You want to save money, that's the whole point. One company did call me, and they did have a lower quote, and that company was Progressive. So I think I'm gonna go up to Progressive and actually get a real quote so that I can see, because you know sometimes when they quote you online and over the phone, they just be giving you the lowest end policy as possible, and they don't be really putting no good stuff in there. That's why they quotes be so cheap. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Progressive, because she did quote me $212 for both vehicles and homeowners insurance, which is pretty cheap. That's super cheap. That means the Kia Sportage will probably be like 80 and some change dollars, and this car would be like 112, 120, somewhere around that ballpark. It would be dirt cheap. So I think I'm gonna check with Progressive just for the hell of it, because if I could get my insurance down to $212 from $269, that's 57 bucks I'm saving a month. That's a gas tank and some more. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But again, I will put the information in the description below for y'all, so that way y'all can price shop to see if my lady can help y'all. If she can't, there's got to be at least one spot in y'all state or city that has an insurance broker that will get y'all the best rates. You don't have to go directly through an insurance company. Insurance brokers will get you the best rate possible. So make sure y'all check that out. Hopefully this video was enough information for y'all. So $269, $169 for this, $100 from the 2010 Kia Sportage that I also have on my policy. So $169 is not bad, man. Not bad, especially for my age. I'm pretty sure, like I said, I'm pretty sure I could get it cheaper. I know that there's people probably paying way less than that, and I'm 100% sure there's mad people paying way more than that for insurance. But it all depends on a lot of different factors, man. Your age, your state, your zip code, your driving record, if credit is in there somewhere. I've never heard of it actually being based on your credit, but I've heard some people say it. I don't know if that's true or not, but it could be multiple different things to factor your insurance rate. It could be that you're in a high risk area, all types of stuff. The main thing is that Hellcats are one of the top 10 vehicles in accidents because people just don't know how to respect the power. Ooh, they got the top down. I see y'all. Yeah, most people don't know how to respect the power, so people get into accidents after only a month or 2 months of owning them, or I mean, some people just speed out of the lot and crash. So you just gotta know what you're doing. You gotta have a decent driving record, and most places won't tax you, because I know some people paying like $300-400 a month for their Hellcat, and that's ridiculous. On top of a $800 to $1,200 payment, that's ridiculous. I could never pay that much money. So y'all know I watched my video from yesterday. So $800 a month for the payment, $169 for the insurance. Not too bad. And then you gotta factor in all your gas. So those are those three main things you gotta factor in when you're trying to get a Hellcat or any other high-end model car. But hopefully this video was enough information for y'all, man. I'm on my way to work, so I'm about to bust a U-turn and go back the other way and hop on the expressway. Y'all have a good day. Y'all drive safe. If y'all got any questions about the insurance, just hit me up. Like I said, I'm gonna put all my information in my description below. I'm also gonna throw in her business card too, so that y'all, if y'all want to call her or get some quotes from the business and see if they can quote you for your state. But definitely shop around, y'all. Shop around y'all state and city and see if they got an insurance broker somewhere, because y'all gonna get the best rate possible from an insurance broker. At least from my experience. Those have been the cheapest rates. Hopefully y'all like this POV better. I'm not using my phone, I'm back to using the GoPro, but I found a different angle with using a hat. So I think this angle was way better than my last POV, because all y'all seen was the top of the headliner, which is trash. Oh my god, this car sounds so good. This worked out way better. Hopefully it looked good too when I go to edit the footage. Mind y'all, that's in eco mode too. Sounding so good like that. And stay tuned, because I definitely got my intake finally shipped out too, y'all. So my intake should be here in a couple days. I'm gonna do the install on that immediately, because I definitely need to hear how loud this supercharger get. And I'm definitely gonna do a POV video for y'all, because I know that joint about to sound crazy. Now, if you currently have a Hellcat and y'all watching my videos, I want to know how much y'all paying for insurance, if y'all mind putting that in the description, because I'm curious what's the lowest I might be able to get. Because I know some people paying $100, but they're also like over 40. And pretty much when you over 40, you're in the higher, when you're a little older, you get the real good rate. So I know I'm gonna probably never get that low. If I probably put this car under my grandma's name, I'd probably get something super cheap like that. But I would never do that, because for one, she get into an accident with this. I mean, I get into an accident with this, it's over for that. So don't ever do that. But I'm just curious to see what it would be if I did put it in her name, because she'd probably get something super cheap, because she barely drive. And if she do drive, she drive probably less than 5,000 miles a year. So insurance for her probably would be like $100, maybe 120. So if y'all got a Hellcat or any other high performance vehicle, let me know what y'all pay for insurance. I'm curious, and what y'all age is. That's if you want to. You don't have to if you don't feel comfortable telling me how much you pay for your insurance. But I am curious to know what other prices are out there, and then what company you have as well. So back to my own stomping grounds. I just gotta pay a bill and then I'm out of here. But I'm gonna end the video here, man. Y'all let me know how y'all like this POV. How y'all let me know what y'all think about their insurance prices. And again, y'all know I'm always open to helping y'all out. If y'all got any questions with getting a car, finding a deal for a car, just hit me up. I'm more than happy to help y'all. So just hit me up. Let me know what y'all need. If y'all got any questions, comments below, email me, Instagram, any of those medias y'all can hit me up on, or sources. So y'all be easy, man. I'm out of here. Y'all have a safe day. It's beautiful out right now. It's hot again. Y'all can see it's 89 degrees out right now, so I got the air running, burning up all my gas. So y'all be easy, man. I'm out of here. Y'all have a safe one, man. Peace.